Hey, what's going on? It's Big Rob. It is a Wednesday, or as my friends John Jay and Rich would say, Hump Day. it's it's been two. Riley is now my son. He's almost 3 weeks old now. It'll be 3 weeks on Saturday. And when he was first born, I took an entire week off. An entire week off of like coming to the radio station. But like, let's be honest, like I never really am unplugged from the radio station. So every day that I was off with my boy, I was scheduling music from home, editing logs from home, doing commercials from home, all kinds of stuff. So I was busy, I was working, but I got to be there with him the entire time. You know what I mean? Like I knew he was right upstairs or right downstairs or on the other side of the room or something like that, and that was kind of cool. It's funny as a parent with a baby. I don't want to describe it as like having like a new toy that you're excited to play with all the time, but like when they're not around and you're not around them, and my wife just tortures me with cute pictures and stuff of him all day long, you just miss them. And if you're a parent, you understand, you know what I mean? And so it's weird. Obviously, I have a lot of work to do, very busy at the radio stations that I work for. And so it's hard sometimes to not focus, because I still get everything done, but you miss being home. You know what I mean? You feel like you're going to miss something, and you're not missing anything in the first few weeks, but it's a weird, interesting feeling to miss somebody like that. And I don't go like therapy or anything crazy, so I figured you'd be my therapist and tell me like if that's normal, like is that something like a dad? And I posted on Instagram and I said, I guess I'm just a big giant sissy, and people were just say, no, you're just a good dad and yada yada yada, and it's probably just the case, but I just miss my boy when he's not around. I don't know if it's because he's so new but I never want to leave in the morning. And I want to get home as fast as I can every day. Like tonight, I won't get out of here. I probably won't see him until after 7:30, I bet, tonight, which is a long time. And he'll probably be sleeping when I see him tonight, or just ready to be fed and take another nap, because that's what he does. He eats and he sleeps and he cries when he's tired or hungry. So those all kind of go together. But it's fun. Being a dad is fun. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about how I miss my boy when I'm at work. And I'm assuming that's just a normal dad thing, I guess. I've raised my two girls since they were 2 and 4, and I've been around, for a long time with them. But I missed all the little baby stuff, you know what I mean? All the little baby things. So all this stuff is new for me. Apparently, I was told this morning, by the way, I don't change the diaper right. I don't pull it up high enough. And so his was not tucked in. It looks like that too, huh? Anyways, that's my vlog for today. I don't really got nothing. I'm just telling you what's on my mind, which is that I miss my boy, and I wish I could bring him to work with me. I probably could. I mean, we just put him over here in the corner. I got room over there in that corner, right there in that little corner. And then we got room for him. I think we can make him work. Maybe, possibly. My wife would be pissed at me, but maybe one day. All right, that's it for today. We'll come up with something new and whatever to talk about tomorrow that maybe won't be me being just a big sappy pile of mush. Have a good rest of your Wednesday, and turn my show on this afternoon.